Welcome. Today we are exploring a special case in algebra, the slope of a vertical line. You have probably calculated positive and negative slopes before, but what happens when a line goes straight up and down? Let's find out. First, recall that slope, represented by the letter m, measures the steepness of a line. We define it as the change in y divided by the change in x. This is often called rise over run. The formula is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Here is a vertical line on a coordinate plane. Notice that it moves straight up and down. This specific line crosses the x-axis at 4. In fact, the equation for this line is simply x equals 4, because every single point on this line has an x-coordinate of 4. To use the slope formula, we need 2 points. Let's pick 2 points on a similar vertical line where x equals 3. Our first point is at 3, 2. Our second point is at 3, 6. Notice the pattern? The x value did not change. Let's calculate the top part of our fraction, the rise. We subtract the y values. 6 minus 2 equals 4. This means the vertical distance between our points is 4 units. So far, everything looks normal. Now for the bottom part, the run, we subtract the x values. 3 minus 3 equals 0. This is the critical moment. Because the line does not move left or right, there is 0 horizontal change. Our denominator is 0. When we put these numbers into our slope formula, we get 4 divided by 0. In mathematics, division by 0 is not allowed. It does not produce a number. Because of this impossibility, we say the slope is undefined. Why is division by 0 impossible? Think about multiplication. 10 divided by 2 is 5, because 5 times 2 is 10. But 4 divided by 0 has no answer. No number times 0 can ever equal 4. That is why the answer is undefined, not 0. Imagine hiking. A flat road has 0 slope and takes 0 effort. A steep hill has a high slope, but a vertical cliff, you cannot hike it. It is like a wall. The steepness is essentially infinite, which is another way to understand why the slope value cannot be defined by a standard number. Be careful not to confuse horizontal and vertical lines. A horizontal line has a 0 on top of the fraction, so the result is just 0. That is a valid number. A vertical line has a 0 on the bottom. That breaks the math. That is undefined. To wrap up, vertical lines have no run. The change in x is always 0. Since we cannot divide by 0, the slope is undefined. Remember, if the line goes straight up and down, the slope is not a number. It is undefined.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.